Happy Thursday, second grade. Today we're going to be talking about two of the birds that you received in your take-home package. The Sanderling and the peregrine falcon. So I found this Audubon page, which is all about birds. And this page talks all about Sanderlings. So when I scroll down, we can see the habitats and its conservation status. So habitat is what we study in marine biology. They like to hang out at the beaches. They also will hang out at tide flats and lake shores. Their numbers, as far as conservation status, are seriously declining. Some surveys show that 80% of them, their population has gone down since the 1970s. All right, if I scroll down, we can see what they eat and about their reproduction, eggs, and their nesting. First, let's click on one of their calls so we can hear what they sound like. So that's a sharp kip. And then we'll hear their flock calls, so when they're calling to each other. Yeah, that sounds quite a bit different. Okay, and let's take a look at this map really quick. So you'll see there's a legend here. The colors will give you different information. So like, let's look at the red, which is really high up in the colder Arctic part of the world. And that is where they breed usually. So they go up north to breed. And then the blue, these two blues, so in the winter, it's common that they go down south. So we would see them in California along the beaches in the winter. So right now, if you went down to the beach, you could probably see them. What do they eat? They eat mostly sand crabs and other invertebrates. Wow, they eat sand crabs. They eat the things we were studying. It's kind of cool. They also eat worms, insects, amphipods, and isopods. Lots of other things that we've studied. You can see a picture here of them using that long shaped beak to go into the sand to find these things. So their beak is a good tool to help them search for their food. So with the page that you got with the Sanderling picture and the poem, you can color that page and read the poem to your parents if you'd like.